Bent or crushed coil fins are a common service call finding and need careful, immediate attention to restore airflow and heat transfer. When inspecting coils, start by running your hand a short distance above the fins without touching them to feel for airflow disruptions and visual gaps that indicate crushed sections. Use a flashlight at a low angle to reveal bent fins and note whether the damage is isolated or spans multiple rows, because isolated bends are simpler to correct. Bring a fin comb size to the fin spacing and match the tooth count to avoid widening gaps. Insert the comb gently from the top and draw it through 1 to 3 passes only, working slowly and aligning with the fin direction to avoid tearing. Always remove surface debris with a soft brush or low suction vacuum first, so you do not force dirt further into the fins when straightening. Avoid using high-pressure water or compressed air directly on delicate fin areas, because forceful streams will bend fins more or push debris deeper into the coil. Use low-pressure rinsing from the inside out if rinsing is necessary. After straightening, recheck airflow and explain to the homeowner what you did, what areas remain restricted, and whether a future coil replacement may be recommended if damage is extensive. Technicians often try to straighten too many fins at once, which can warp the comb and worsen alignment, so work in small sections and use the correct comb size to prevent that issue. A second common mistake is applying high-pressure water or concentrated air, which can pack dirt into the coil and cause corrosion, so always use low-pressure rinses and soft cleaning tools. Finally, many forget to document and communicate the condition to the customer, which leads to surprises later, so photograph the affected area, note any performance impact, and clearly explain next step options and expected costs. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors relevant to this type of maintenance and lets us share service notes and photos within the project listing. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, so we help both find work and practical advice.